I'm the Flat Rate Master, and what the heck is going on with dealers in Atlanta? All right, I'm gonna put this out to the community because I know I've got a bunch of dealer techs in Atlanta, at least specifically, but what the heck's going on with you guys? We are getting inundated with 20s, 21s. I mean, I did a check engine light diag on a 2020 Chevy that was under warranty. I've done multiple AC checks on 19 Jeeps. It's like we're just, you guys can't keep up with stuff. What's going on? I know parts are a problem, but what's going on? I mean, I mean, it sucks pulling in a 2022 to do an oil change, let me tell you. It sucks to pull in a 19 that's under warranty, and you know, if they want it fixed here, they got to spend money, and it's under warranty, which sucks for the customer. I mean, don't get me wrong. There's nothing I can do. They might get reimbursed from the manufacturer, but the fact is I got to charge them because, well, I got to charge them. We're not warranty. We're not the dealer. But, you know, like the check engine light on the Chevrolet turned into something really simple. Probably going to need to wind up going to the dealer to have the boost tube going to the throttle body replaced, but that's what the problem was. The boost tube came loose and was under boost, would lift up and would lose boost. Complaint was check engine light, low power. Well, there you go. But I mean, it's just been crazy. I mean, we've had, you know, customers that are legitimately under warranty coming to us because they can't get into the dealer. You know, we've heard 2-3 weeks out on some dealers. Let me know in the comments what's going on with y'all and the rest of my community. Let me know if you're seeing the same trend, because I mean, it's just been ridiculous. I mean, you know, the oil changes, they are what they are, but it's like I'm charging a buttload of money to check out R1234YF, and yes, I'm going to continue saying it that way, for customers that are under factory warranty. You know, we're not cheap here. We're expensive, and they have to pay us for me to tell them they need another expensive part, because it's always another expensive part. The two Jeeps were, you know, dip-ems, big surprise, no power to the compressor, everything else checked out. Relay internal to tip-em was not sending power to the compressor clutch. Checked continuity, all that kind of good stuff. Both of them need tip-ems. The first one was like a week ago, was told it was 6 months out. I don't know what happened with that one. The next one said he was going back to the dealer to do it under warranty, which, you know, let me know what the rest of y'all are seeing, because we're just getting inundated with late model cars. Let me know what's going on with you. Let me know if you're seeing that as well. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.